Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Firebase Storage for profile photo uploads, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Firebase console at console.firebase.google.com. Create a new project or select an existing one. Once your project is open, click on Storage in the left-hand menu. Click on the Get Started button to enable Firebase Storage. Review the security rules that determine who can access your storage. You can select either Start in Test Mode for development or Start in Locked Mode for production. Consider testing in test mode to simplify the setup process initially. Next, open the Rules tab to define your storage permissions. Modify the rules to allow authenticated users to upload files. For example, you can set the rules to allow only users to read and write their own data. Now, navigate to the Files tab to view your storage bucket. Take note of the bucket URL that Firebase has provided. Next, open your development environment or code editor. If you haven't already, install the Firebase SDK into your project. Use npm or yarn to install Firebase. Import Firebase services into your project. Initialize Firebase with your project configuration. Use the configuration snippet from your Firebase console. Create a function to handle the profile photo upload. Add input elements in your HTML for file selection. Attach an event listener to the input for file changes. Inside the event listener, get the selected file. Create a reference to the Firebase storage bucket. Use the selected file name to create a reference for uploading. Use the upload method to upload the file to Firebase Storage. Handle any upload progress using a progress bar if desired. Upon successful upload, obtain the download URL of the photo. Store this URL in your database or user profile for future access. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.